Third-gen Tundra owners, if you've been on the fence about getting a cold air intake, look no further than the one from 6 Element Engineering. Follow along as I install this. It is super quick, super easy to do. You could do it with just a few hand tools in your garage, in your driveway, wherever. Let's get it. Third-gen Tundras have a twin turbo V6, and you have twin intakes, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. We're going to start off by removing this engine cover, and it just simply pulls up and out of the way. Being that this one has twin intakes, you're going to have two mass airflow sensors, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. You want to remove your connector first. Just take a Phillips and remove the mass airflow sensor. Be careful with these are delicate. Next, let's remove the clamp. That is a 10mm socket, or you can use the Phillips, either one. Now let's pull that hose out of the way. And this whole air box should come up and out of the way, like so. Now remove the other clamp at the back end of the hose. Now remove that hose as well. It's going to be hard to film this, but there is a clamp down this tube down here. There is also a vacuum line right here that you need to remove. There's an 8mm bolt right here that you must remove from this bracket right here in order to remove this. Now we're going to take our coupler and we're going to get the piping connected. We're going to tighten up that bottom clamp just by hand for now. There are grommets in the bottom of the factory airbox that you need to take out and put into the new airbox. And you're going to reinstall the factory grommets into these points in the new airbox. And they just push into place. And when you're putting the airbox back in, you're going to line up the holes in the grommets. You're going to line them up here, here, and here. Now let's install our coupler. Now we can go through and tighten up all the clamps here and down here at the turbo. Now that all the hose clamps are tightened, let's install our mass airflow sensor. This is a 7 or 8mm Allen head. And then plug her back in. And this is one of the coolest parts of this whole package. The magnetic window where you can see the status of your filter, whether it's clean, dirty, whatever. You just want to take a look at it. It just sets this whole thing off. So it just fits into place via magnets. It stays, it's sturdy, and it looks badass. The passenger side is going to install just like this side. So let me get the other side done, and then we'll wrap it up and we'll show you the complete package. We'll get some sound clips, some revs, some accelerations. This installed on the Tundra for about 3 weeks now, and I cannot say enough good things about it. I love it. It sounds really, really good. It adds 15 horsepower and 15 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. You can feel the difference. Throttle response is increased. It revs a little freer. Not to mention it looks badass. So if you're wanting an intake for your 3rd gen Tundra, pick you up one of these from Sixth Element Engineering. They are badass, easy installation. Appreciate you watching.